What's up, y'all? It's Nate from Texas Carbon. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to install your carbon fiber Camaro trim pieces.
It's worth noting that all of our products are going to have a very similar installation process. Despite the simplicity, it's important to take your time and be thorough for the best results. We're going to be cleaning the surface and applying double-sided 3M adhesive. We also recommend using gloves to avoid any unwanted oils or debris that could disturb the adhesion. The first step is to apply a little bit of isopropyl alcohol to a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure to be thorough and hit all corners and edges to ensure an even surface for the adhesive. Once you're confident there's no dust or debris that could get in the way, it's time to move back to your trim piece. Use a razor edge, a flathead screwdriver, or any flat tool to lift one corner of the 3M backing. Try not to disturb the adhesive underneath. Gently remove each piece one by one. It's also important to note the adhesive will work far better and apply more evenly when warm. We recommend gently warming the exposed adhesive with a hairdryer or heat gun, especially in a cold environment. Once the surface is clean and the adhesive is warm, you're ready for application. Align and press evenly. It's also a good idea to continue to apply a little pressure for around 30 seconds to let the adhesive set.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or shoot us a DM. Thank you for choosing Texas Carbon, and I'll see you all in the next one.